the Cuyahoga County Health Department, the City of Cleveland Water Department, the Cuyahoga County Board of Health, and the Public Utilities Commission of Northeast Ohio have issued a public health advisory for the following regions. Cuyahoga County. Until further notice. Recently, extremely high amounts of arsenic have been found in local public water supplies. Arsenic is a highly toxic material that can cause illness and death. At this time, you should take the following actions. Avoid using public water utilities immediately. Drink only bottled or distilled water. Avoid contact of any kind with the contaminated water. Your local authorities may decide to shut off your water to prevent further contamination. Symptoms of arsenic poisoning include discoloration of the skin, stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, numbness in hands and feet, and blurred vision. Prolonged exposure may result in cancer, blindness, brain damage, kidney failure, and death. If you experience any of these symptoms, you should seek immediate medical attention. Stay tuned for further updates.